Unusual weather in Devon has caused a massive cleanup operation, with flash floods wreaking havoc on homes, roads, and businesses. Kenton near Exeter saw residents evacuated for their safety, and Exeter Airport had to close temporarily due to flooding. With 63.8 millimeters of rainfall recorded, Exeter was one of the wettest places in the country on Sunday. Meanwhile, Somerset and Minehead also faced their share of challenges with businesses impacted by floods and road closures. The IKEA Exeter car park was underwater, but the store powered through, continuing operations. Other areas affected include the South Devon School of Gymnastics in Paynton and the Passage House in Topsham. In a heartening display of community, around 50 villagers came together to rescue a 95-year-old woman trapped in her flooded home, a clear reflection of the severity of the situation. The cleanup is in full swing, but the full extent of the damage is yet to be assessed. In other news, Dawlish, Torquay, Topsham, and Exeter experienced heavy rain and lightning strikes, with about 1 month's worth of rain falling in just 6 hours. The Kenton Primary School had to be closed due to flood damage. Stay tuned for more updates as we continue to follow these events. Hello, listeners! This is your host, Emily, coming to you live from New York City, where we bring the world to your doorstep. Yes, you've tuned into the Hot Topic, your trusted source for the day's hottest news stories. It's always a pleasure to have our frequent contributor, the ever-insightful David, joining us from San Francisco.
Thank you, Emily Norma. It's always a pleasure to explore the day's events with you.
We urge our listeners to subscribe to our channel, enable notifications, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments section. We love hearing from you. If you find our discussions enlightening, do share them with your friends and family. It's a great way to keep our community growing and the conversation flowing.
Absolutely, engaging with you, our listeners, is what makes this show so rewarding.
In today's episode, we're diving into the aftermath of the flash floods in Devon. Trust me, you won't believe the lengths to which community members have gone to rescue those in danger. This news is not just about the weather, it's about resilience, unity, and the human capacity to withstand the odds. So, get ready for your daily dose of news, hot off the press. It's a massive operation unfolding in Devon as the community rallies to clean up after flash floods. The torrential rain has submerged roads, flooded homes, and businesses, leading to a state of emergency in several areas. Fire crews have been assisting with safety measures in Kenton, near Exeter. Exeter Airport also had to halt operations temporarily due to flooding at the terminal. As per the Met Office, Exeter was one of the wettest places in the country on Sunday, recording a whopping 63.8 millimeters of rain.
It's heartbreaking to see the damage caused by these floods. The situation has been so dire that even businesses in Somerset and Rhodes and Minehead had to shut down due to excessive flooding. It's a testament to the severity of the weather conditions.
Indeed, the IKEA in Exeter even experienced flooding in its car park, although the store managed to stay open. We've also received reports of flooding at the South Devon School of Gymnastics in Paynton and the Passage House in Topsham. This has led to numerous road closures and public transport cancellations.
It's startling to hear about the extent of this flooding. But it's been equally remarkable to see how the community has pulled together. The rescue of a 95-year-old woman, trapped in her home, by approximately 50 villagers is a testament to human spirit and unity in the face of adversity.
Can you believe that? The woman, Betty Baldwin, woke up to the sound of rushing water, akin to a sea. She was unable to escape and had to shout out for help from her window. Her neighbor, Jonathan Bean, came to her rescue, entering her home where the floodwaters had risen above his knees.
It's moments like these that remind us of the strength and resilience of communities. The scenes of devastation are distressing, but the spirit of unity and cooperation gives hope.
Our BBC Spotlight reporter in Haberton, Janine Jansen, describes the situation as a massive cleanup with mud and mess everywhere. Torrents of water on Saturday night and Sunday submerged about 20 homes, with water and mud reaching chest height.
It's hard to even comprehend that one. The intensity of the weather was such that there were 1,000 recorded lightning strikes across the region on Sunday. Remarkably, what is typically a month's worth of rain fell in just 6 hours.
Yes, it was intense indeed. And just to give you an idea of the floodwater's depth, when Betty was trapped in her home, the water levels rose to about 2 feet 6 inches. Thankfully, she is currently staying with friends in the village and is reportedly in high spirits.
It's good to hear that she's doing well given the circumstances. It's not just Haberton, though. Torrential rain and lightning also affected communities and businesses in Dawlish, Torquay, Topsham, and Exeter.
Yes, and sadly even Kenton Primary School had to shut down on Monday due to the flooding. As we look at these images of fire crews helping people to safety, it becomes even more evident how crucial it is for communities to come together in times of crisis.
Absolutely. It's a time for unity and resilience. As this situation evolves, we must keep our thoughts with those affected and hope for swift recovery efforts.
Thank you all for joining us today on Hot Topic as we delved into the emergency situation unfolding in Devon due to the flash floods. We sincerely appreciate your listenership. Remember to engage with us by subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you never miss an update. Sharing our podcast with your networks helps us reach more people, so please pass it along to your friends, family, and fellow news enthusiasts. Your comments and opinions also enrich our conversation, so don't hesitate to leave a thought or two.
And don't forget, we're here, broadcasting the day's most important developments every single day. There's always something fascinating happening in the world, and we promise to keep making the news more interesting and accessible for you.
We're grateful for your time and for the community we're building here. We're excited about what's on the horizon and can't wait to share our next episode with you all.
So, until next time, remember our little saying. Emily and David together, stay in the loop, keep your eyes on the news, our channel's content will amuse.